is the universe alive? If we make three assumptions and assume that for something to be alive, it needs to reproduce, evolve over time, and metabolize. Three simple factors that fit every living thing on Earth. However, stars also follow these three processes too. They explode and die, producing nebula nurseries that give birth to more stars. But what about metabolizing? Well, an equation derived by the physicist Geoffrey West solves the metabolization process. It links mass and time with other constants to give a specific metabolic rate. It accurately predicts every form of life on Earth. Applying it to stars again gives us an exact value of a star's energy consumption, fitting experimental data. Therefore, stars reproduce, evolve, and metabolize using fusion. They are alive. us, does the universe think?
Quantum computing is still in its infancy. In fact, multiplying 3 times 5 is the most complex computation Seth's machine has ever done. But Seth argues that his computer proves that subatomic particles can think, and that the universe, which is entirely built from such particles, must also be a quantum computer. It processes and stores information at the microscopic level on everything we see around us. And if the universe is processing information, then it must be thinking. And it must be alive.
The universe is not alive, it's more than alive. It contains life. It does all the things that living things do. It processes information. It moves energy from one place to another. The different pieces of it can reproduce each other. But the universe as a whole can do much more than just what living things can do.
The human brain can perform about 10 to the power 16, or 10 million billion computations in a second. In the same time, Seth believes the universe performs about 10 to the power 106 computations, which makes the universe impossibly smarter than we can ever imagine.
If the universe is behaving like a giant quantum computer, and let's face it, it is, then it's capable of any kind of complex behavior we can imagine. Not just creation of stars and planets, the evolution of life. It's also capable of behavior that we probably will never be able to comprehend.
We are part of the network of infinite universes, connected and entangled by quantum mechanics to everything in reality.